Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Microsoft Teams for remote collaboration, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open the Microsoft Teams application on your computer. If you haven't installed it yet, download it from the official Microsoft website. Once open, sign in with your work or school account. You will be directed to the Teams interface where you can see various options. To create a team for remote collaboration, click on the Teams icon on the left sidebar. Next, click on the Join or Create a Team button located at the bottom of the Teams list. Then, select the Create Team option. Choose whether to build a team from scratch or create one from an existing Microsoft 365 group. Select the privacy setting for your team, public or private. If you choose private, you'll need to invite specific members to join. Enter a name and description for your team to inform members about its purpose. Click on Create to finalize your new team. Now, to add members, enter their email addresses in the provided field. Once you've added members, click Add. You can also set their roles as either members or owners. After this, navigate to the Channels tab to organize discussions. Click on Add Channel to create dedicated spaces for specific topics. Provide a name and description for each channel to clarify its focus. You can also adjust privacy settings for each channel as needed. To start a conversation, click on a channel and type your message in the chat box. You can format your message using the toolbar for added clarity. To share files, click on the Files tab within the desired channel. Here, you can upload documents directly from your computer or link files from OneDrive. To schedule a meeting, go to the Calendar tab on the left sidebar. Click on New Meeting to open the scheduling form. Fill in the meeting details such as title, date, time, and participants. Once you're done, click Save to send out the meeting invitation. You can also use the Meet Now feature for instant meetings without prior scheduling. To enhance collaboration, explore integrations with apps available in Teams. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.